I've studied educational change for 25 years. And I've tried to figure out how do we best go about helping teachers flourish? And how do we share what research says about effective instruction? And I've landed on the fact that I think you need coaching to have real change take place in your setting. But those coaches aren't going to be able to flourish. They're not going to have the impact on children and teachers unless they work in an environment that supports them. That means administrators really need to know what coaches do and how they can support them. When admin really understands what coaching is all about, how to support it, how to encourage coaches to flourish, to make sure they're able to do what they need to do, schools move forward, kids have better lives. The opposite is also true. If the administrators don't understand what coaches do, it's really hard for coaches to succeed.